Hi, I'm here with the Dali. It's one of my favorite watches in our collection. I'm going to give a quick rundown of how to use it. So this watch is automatic, meaning it winds off the movement of your wrist. Okay, it's a beautiful timepiece. You can actually see the automatic movement here in the back. And I'm just going to give some details on how to use an automatic movement properly. Okay, so that's the movement there. That piece that spins, see that's the rotor. And that rotor is what winds the spring to make it tight so that the movement can work. Now you can also manually wind it. Sorry, there's still a piece of plastic here because this is a brand new watch. There we go. You can also manually wind it when the crown is in the closed position just by turning it. Okay, you see? Like so. And what that's doing is it's winding the watch. You give it 30 to 40 winds, it should be close to being fully wound. Okay, and there you go. Now the watch is wound. You can see the second hand there. It's not ticking, it's sweeping. And that's how you know that you have an automatic timepiece. Now to set the time, it's quite simply just pull the crown out, like so, and you just rotate it, and you set the time, and then you just close it all the way. Now the first time you wear this watch, we always recommend before wearing any automatic watch, just wind the crown a little bit first, 30 times to get it nice and tight. And then when you put it on, the movement of your wrist should keep it wound. If you're not going to wear it for a day or two, just wind the crown. That's how you use the Dali.